Thinking about upgrading your gaming setup and caught between choosing the Xbox Series X or the PS5 Pro? You're not alone. Both systems are impressive and deliver cutting-edge performance, next-gen features, and top-tier games, but each brings something different to the table. In this breakdown, we'll help you figure out which one might be the better fit for your gaming style. Let's start with Microsoft's beast of a machine, the Xbox Series X. This console is all about raw power. It's equipped with a high-speed 8-core AMD processor and a GPU that pumps out 12 teraflops of graphical performance. Translation: you're getting incredibly smooth gameplay, lightning-fast load times, and visuals that truly pop in 4K. Whether you're playing massive open-world games or fast-paced shooters, the Series X handles it like a champ. One of its standout features is the 1TB solid-state drive SSD, which ensures fast load times and quick transitions between games and apps. Need more space? You can always expand your storage using Microsoft's proprietary Seagate expansion cards, which snap in easily. Now, turning to Sony's contender, the PS5 Pro brings its own set of impressive features to the ring. It may have slightly lower specs on paper. Its GPU offers around 10.28 teraflops, but don't let that fool you. The PS5 Pro delivers beautifully optimized performance, enhanced by Sony's excellent exclusive titles. Think games like Spider-Man Miles Morales Demon's Souls and the upcoming Horizon Forbidden West Where the PS5 Pro truly shines is its DualSense controller. With haptic feedback and adaptive triggers, the controller adds new layers of immersion. You can literally feel different terrain under your character's feet or the resistance of a bowstring when you're aiming in-game. It's a game changer, no pun intended. When comparing the two, the Series X has an edge in sheer performance and versatility with multi-platform titles. It's a powerhouse and perfect for players who want high performance, backward compatibility across generations, and access to Xbox Game Pass, which offers a massive library of games for a subscription fee. Meanwhile, the PS5 Pro leans heavily into the immersive, cinematic side of gaming. The exclusives are top tier, and the overall experience from graphics to controller functionality is designed to pull you deeper into each world. It's perfect for players who want something more emotionally engaging and story-driven. Both consoles offer robust entertainment features too. They support 4K HDR content and work seamlessly with apps like Netflix, Disney+, and more. Whether you're binge-watching shows or jumping into your favorite game, both systems double as excellent media hubs. From a design perspective, the Xbox Series X is sleek and minimal, designed to blend into your setup while staying quiet and cool. The PS5 Pro, on the other hand, has a more eye-catching, futuristic design, with a revamped user interface that makes navigating your games and media easier than ever. And let's not forget backward compatibility. Xbox Series X leads here with support for a huge library of older Xbox titles, many of which benefit from improved performance. The PS5 Pro also supports most PS4 games, some of which are enhanced on the newer hardware. So, what's the bottom line? Go with the Xbox Series X if you want maximum power, extensive backward compatibility, and access to a ton of games via Game Pass. It's built for players who prioritize performance and game variety. Choose the PS5 Pro if you care about groundbreaking exclusives, immersive features like the DualSense controller, and a next-gen feel that goes beyond just raw power. Either way, you're stepping into the future of gaming. Let us know what you're leaning toward or if you have any questions. We're always up for talking games.